What if I told you the way software has been built for the last 50 years is about to disappear? This new paradigm has a name, AI native software development. And it may be the biggest shift since the invention of the internet. But here's the real question. If AI can write the code, what exactly will developers do? For decades, building software followed the same structure. Developers write thousands of lines of code. The old way of building software, DevOps deploy the application. This process could take weeks, months, sometimes years. AI learned how to write software. Even a small feature update required hours of manual coding. But then something happened that changed everything. AI learned how to write software. It can handle your entire code base in the most complex systems. It can also design software architecture and write tests automatically. Prompt interface. Developers no longer start with code. They start with a prompt. Let's build a payment API. We'll include authentication and database integration. Here's a quick example.
So a very quick example on how to build a payment API. This is my VS Code interface. I just strictly came and I type build a payment API with authentication and database integration. I'm trying to interact with my AI console on the VS Code. So it will ask me what framework do I want to work with. Let's say, okay, I want to work with Python Flask and Fast API. It will ask me which payment service provider would I like. Is it Stripe, PayPal, Mock service, or other? Let me say I want to work with Stripe. Once I do that, I click on it. What database would you prefer? Is it the Postgres SQL? Is it the MongoDB or SQLite? Let me say I want to work with MongoDB. What authentication method? Is it the JWT? Is it OR 2.0? Is it the API keys? Let me stick with JWT. Once you have prompted all this, it's now asking me, would you prefer Flask or Fast API? I would want, let me make it lightweight. Allow. You see, it started creating it, it has created the payment API. It has included the models, the routes, the utils. It's creating the library consoles. It has created the user.py. That's py means Python, because I selected the framework Python from the beginning. So these are things that takes us days sometimes to achieve, to be able to articulate all of this. But with the invention of AI now, most of these are almost within hours. Into AMV, we have the gate ignore, we have the config.py, we have the deployment, and it even give us a guide. This is the requirements. Need to set up these libraries, the class call, the python.env, the pymongo, pyjwt. All these are requirements for this API to run successfully. We have a run.py. We have it. So this was generated strictly by just that single prompt that I initiated. So this evolution has come to stay. Yes, before you dive into this, you must need to know your basics and know what you actually want to do, because sometimes if you're not careful, AI might even give you a lot of codes that debugging it will takes months. But you have to be very, very careful when you're prompting and know how to be able to navigate through your different scripts. And there you go. So that is that. Thank you very much.
The AI isn't just helping developers, it's thinking like one. From coding to orchestrating AI, in AI native development, developers become something new, not coders. Instead of writing code line by line, engineers coordinate AI coding assistants and automated testing agents. Think of it like a software orchestra. The developer becomes the conductor. Deployment agents orchestrate the architecture. One developer can now do the work of 10 AI agents that can build software, test it, fix bugs, and deploy it to the cloud. automatically. This is called autonomous development, where software can improve itself. In the future, a startup might launch an entire platform with only one human developer. AI native developers must learn new skills, not just coding, but prompt engineering, AI system architecture, and automation workflows. Those who learn these skills early will define the next generation of software companies. Within the next decade, AI will build most software systems. Developers will focus on creativity, architecture, solving human problems. Software creation will become faster than ever imagined. The biggest companies of the future may not have thousands of developers. They may have a few engineers and thousands of AI agents. Final question to the audience. If you're excited about the future of AI-powered development, subscribe. And which ones will be left behind? Because the future of software is already being written by humans and machines together.